Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to delete search history in Google Chrome and laptop or PC. It is very easy method to delete a Chrome browser history. First of all, go to Chrome browser. Then click three dot and select history. This is a Chrome browser history. Then select clear browsing data and select last house, last 24 hours and all time. I select last 24 hours. Then clear data. Then select history and check up. You can see to remove Google search history, it is a very easy method to remove any browser history. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.